Good morning, everybody. Guess what? It is the Super Sunday inserts. I'm super excited. I actually got 6 inserts, but I won't get as great inserts as most people do. But I'm here to show you guys what I get. So I'm going to start with the red plum, which this one seems like a joke. We got Cetaphil, Nestle water. Sorry, I'm just getting a cold. Newman's, Ollie, checks, which are completely worthless. So that was what was in one of my red plums. The next one we got Extra Orbit gum. The $1 off packs, 50 cents off of 2. Here we're getting Centrum vitamins. This is a great deal to do at Walgreens. We got Nexium, Emergency. Save $3 on Advil, $1 on Advil, $3 on Advil, $3 on Thermacare. We got Preparation H, $3 off of Robitussin, Dime Tap, Advil, and that is that one. Okay, so the next one looks like it's going to be the Unilever. So we got $1 off of one Suave Kids, $1.25 off of 2 men's. We got St. Ives Cons, $3 off of Tresemme, and it looks like they're changing their bottle, so they got a different bottle now. Degree more Dove. These are actually pretty good coupons. A lot of them are pretty much high value coupons, which I love. $1.50 off of Vaseline, butter, Knorr, worthless ads, and then we got vitamins. So that was all in my red plum, and now I'm going to show you guys what's in my smart source. We have Ken's dressing, Listerine. I never get Listerine coupons. I'm super excited about that. Healthy Essentials. I never get these coupons. This is awesome. I never get these coupons. ROC, Aveeno, more Listerine? What? I got 2 Listerine coupons? That's crazy. Morton, more Tylenol, Johnson's. I never get these coupons. We got Dollar General, which I don't really care for. Batteries, flashlights, Rubbermaid, which I've never gotten those before. Chips Ahoy, Peanuts, Nabisco, Folgers coffee, and then we have Scrubbing Bubbles, and my favorite, $1 off Bic pens. This is another smart source. This is pretty thick. We got $1 off. Sorry, my kid is behind me. We got $1 off fruit cups, 75 cents off the jars, 75 cents off of 2 Cheerios, Progresso. $4 off Schick razors. That's an awesome coupon. Mitchum. We got $1 off Chobani Greek yogurt products. So that's a great coupon. 50 cents off of almonds. $2 off of Huggies. $2 off of pull-ups, and $1 off of 3 baby wipes, which is a decent coupon. We got Olive Garden coupons. Fire Grill. Depends. Welch's, Ragu, $2 off of Kotex. I love these coupons when they're $2. I plan on taking full advantage of those. $1 off of Dole, and then we got Poise and 30 cents off of Kleenex, which is a pretty good coupon. $1 off of Viva, $1 off Cottonelle. We got Brita, Splenda, Outback. Got Finish. Scott Brand. I haven't gotten these in a while, so I'm glad to see those. We got Refresh, Hydroxycut, and we got our good $1 off toothpaste, and then we got Lysol, which I hope they do another deal at Walmart for those. And then this is the last smart source, so we got the Soothe XP, Jergens, we got soup, Corel, Renews It, Longhorn, Trop 50 orange juice, Now we got some more vitamins, stuff I really kind of just go through like crazy. One a day, $4 off coupons. Those are awesome coupons. Aleve, $4 off Aleve for 1 week only. Ooh, $1 off Celestial Tea, and then Chuck E. Cheese. So that was it in my inserts. Like I said, I don't get the greatest inserts, but I just wanted to show you guys what I get. Hopefully you guys get a lot better coupons than I do, but I just want to say thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.